Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to dive into a question I get a lot. Can you share a Neon account? Now, before you scramble to grab your friend's login details, let's unpack this a bit. Neon, as many of you know, is a fantastic platform for all things creative, design, animation, 3D modeling, the whole shebang. It's packed with powerful tools and resources that can take your projects to the next level. But here's the thing, sharing accounts goes against Neon's terms of service, and for a good reason. Let's break down why it's not a great idea, for you and for the Neon community. Safety first, your account, your security. Think of your Neon account like your creative digital toolbox. Inside, you have all sorts of personal projects, maybe even collaborations with others. Sharing your login details is like handing someone the keys to your entire creative space. What if they accidentally, or even intentionally, mess something up? What if they violate Neon's terms and get your account suspended? Sharing your login throws a big security blanket over your work, and that's a risk you shouldn't take. Respecting the platform and fellow creators. Neon offers different subscription tiers for a reason. Each tier caters to specific needs, with features and tools tailored for different creative journeys. By sharing an account, you're essentially bypassing this system. Imagine you're a freelancer using the basic Neon tier, scraping by to make ends meet. Suddenly, someone starts sharing a premium account, giving everyone access to features you've been working hard to afford. It devalues the platform's efforts and creates an unfair advantage for some creators. Think about the long game, building your skills. Sure, sharing an account might seem like a quick shortcut to access fancy tools. But here's the secret, the real magic of Neon lies in mastering its features, learning its nuances. By relying on someone else's account, you're missing out on the valuable learning process. When you struggle, experiment, and ultimately master a tool in Neon, you build your own creative confidence. That's something an account share can never replicate. Alternatives to sharing, explore the community. Look, the creative community is vast and supportive. Before resorting to account sharing, check out what Neon offers. Free tier. Neon has a robust free tier with a surprising amount of functionality. It's a fantastic way to test the waters and build fundamental skills. Tutorials and resources. Explore Neon's extensive online tutorials and resources. These are goldmines for learning and can help you master specific tools. Community forums. The Neon community forums are bustling with helpful creators. Ask questions, share your work, and learn from others' experiences. There's so much to gain by engaging with the platform the right way. The bottom line, a sustainable creative journey. Sharing accounts might seem like a quick fix, but it's ultimately a slippery slope. It compromises security, disrespects the platform, and hinders your creative growth. Instead, focus on building your own sustainable creative journey with Neon. Utilize the free tier, explore resources, and engage with the community. You'll be surprised by how much you can achieve on your own terms. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating.